One morning, you wake up and suddenly, you can't stand like you used to. Your legs feel shaky, painful, and too weak to hold you steady. This is happening to millions of older adults in America after age 60 simply because they've skipped their morning stretches to strengthen legs after 60. Did you know? A small fall can leave you bedridden for months and take away your independence in just seconds. But with a few simple movements each morning, you can regain leg strength, improve your balance, and prevent something worse from happening. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 gentle morning stretches used in physical therapy centers across the US, designed to wake up your legs and protect your ability to move freely every day. If leg pain after 60 is something you care about, comment the number 1 below so I know to keep creating helpful content just for you. Don't let one fall take away your freedom to walk. These 5 exercises could help you prevent that. Exercise 1. Knee to chest stretch while lying down. If you often wake up with a stiff lower back, heavy thighs, and need a moment before you can stand, this is where you should begin. The knee to chest stretch gently wakes up your hips and hamstrings after a long night's rest, promotes blood circulation, and eases pressure in the lower spine. Simply lie flat on your back. Bend your right knee. Use both hands to gently pull it toward your chest. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. Repeat 2 to 3 times per leg. This is one of the most effective gentle leg stretches to start your morning without pain or muscle strain. According to Harvard Health Publishing, 2023, consistent morning stretching can increase flexibility in the hips and lower back by up to 35% within the first 2 weeks. That's why physical therapists in the US often begin rehabilitation with morning stretches to strengthen legs after 60. This movement is also considered one of the safest leg exercises for seniors, especially for those with a history of joint issues, as it avoids stress on the knees and hips. When paired with mobility stretches and anti-fall exercises as part of a balance and strength routine, the benefits grow quickly, from standing up with ease to walking with more control. Stay consistent with your senior leg routine morning, and you'll soon notice lighter legs, better balance, and more confidence to start your day. And if you often feel tightness in the front of your thighs after walking or standing for too long, the next stretch is for you. It targets a commonly overlooked but overused muscle group. Exercise 2. Standing quad stretch. If the first exercise relieved your back and hamstrings, this one will unlock your quads, a muscle group that shortens due to prolonged sitting or lack of movement. If you struggle to climb stairs or lift your leg high, tight quads are often to blame. Stand upright, lightly hold onto the back of a chair or a wall for balance. Bend your right knee backward, hold your ankle with your right hand, and gently pull your foot toward your glutes. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. Do this 2 to 3 times on each leg. Many assume leg exercises for seniors must involve sit-to-stand moves, but in reality, gentle leg stretches like this offer more lasting results because they address the muscle groups that disrupt balance when turning or walking quickly. An often overlooked bonus is that stretching your quads also reduces tension in the lower back. This is why mobility stretches are highly recommended before engaging in more intense routines. This is also one of the anti-fall exercises because it builds single leg balance, essential when navigating uneven surfaces. Integrated into a balance and strength routine, it boosts your body's ability to coordinate each step with stability. Have you already tried the knee to chest or quad stretch in your daily routine? If so, share your experience or tips in the comments. It may help others going through the same challenges. And if your legs often feel heavy or like something is pulling them down when walking, the next stretch will help loosen your calves, the hardworking muscles we often ignore. Exercise 3. Calf stretch facing a wall. If walking even short distances makes your legs feel heavy or fatigued, your calves may be overly tight without you realizing it. This stretch targets the calf muscles, crucial for supporting your body when standing or walking. Here's how. Stand facing a wall about an arm's length away. Place both hands on the wall. Step your right foot forward and extend your left leg straight back, heel flat on the ground. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch legs. Repeat twice per side. This is one of the best gentle leg stretches for starting or ending your routine. However, many people place their back foot too close to the wall, which lifts the heel and reduces the stretch. Keep your back heel firmly on the ground to activate the target muscle. When done correctly, this stretch not only improves walking comfort, but is also essential in anti-fall exercises and mobility stretches. It directly supports other leg exercises for seniors and fits seamlessly into a balance and strength routine. If you want to keep exercising after this video, check out the Leg Strength and AMP Mobility for Seniors playlist, a full collection of simple, effective exercises to strengthen knees and improve flexibility. The link is in the description. Don't miss the series. It's your complete guide to safer, stronger legs after 60. Now, let's move on to exercise 4, a simple but powerful movement to activate your hips, the key muscle group involved in standing, walking, and turning. Exercise 4, side lying hip stretch. There's one muscle group often ignored, but critical for balance and movement, your hips. After 60, hips tend to stiffen, making it harder to stand up, turn, or move freely. Start by lying on your left side. Bend your left leg for support. Bend your right leg and open it outward like a clamshell. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower. Do 10 reps, then switch sides. This is a gentle leg stretch that deeply activates the hip muscles and lower body without straining the knees. A 65-year-old woman in Chicago once shared that she had trouble standing after sitting for long periods. After just 2 weeks of doing this stretch daily, her hips loosened noticeably and she could go upstairs more easily without holding onto the chair for support. That's why physical therapists include this as a core part of mobility stretches. Combined with other leg exercises for seniors, it improves coordination and motor response, crucial elements of anti-fall exercises. It's also a key part of any senior leg routine morning, especially if you struggle with standing up from a chair or bed. Within a balance and strength routine, you'll feel the results in just a few weeks. And once your hips are warmed up, it's time for the final movement, one that supports every step you take. If you're still with me, comment yes. I want to know you're committed to taking care of your legs after 60 and ready to complete the final stretch with me. Exercise 5, standing heel raises. Congratulations for making it this far. Heel raises may seem simple, but they're vital for strengthening your calves and ankles, the muscles responsible for upright posture, balance, and absorbing shock when you walk or change direction. To do it, stand upright, holding the back of a chair or counter for safety. Slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising as high as you can. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then lower. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This is one of the most accessible leg exercises for seniors, requiring no equipment and just a few minutes, but offering major improvements in stability and endurance. To maximize its benefits, remember these tips. Don't lean forward or backward. Keep your heels aligned and breathe steadily to avoid dizziness or imbalance. This stretch isn't just one of the best gentle leg stretches, but also a pillar in anti-fall exercises, improving standing stamina and reflexes. When combined with mobility stretches in a full balance and strength routine, you'll notice steadier steps, better coordination, and even a lift in your mood. And don't forget, this is the final piece of your senior leg routine morning. With stronger calves, you'll rise more easily and walk more naturally every day, more confidently. These 5 exercises don't just build strength in your legs after 60. They revive flexibility, balance, and coordination between body and brain. Age may slow you down, but the habits you build today determine how far you'll go in the years ahead. If you've tried any of these or felt something shift just by watching, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts so I can make even more content that speaks to your real needs. And don't forget to check out the full playlist, Leg Strength and AMP, Mobility for Seniors, packed with specialized exercises to help you stand taller, move with ease, and restore confidence in your legs, all tailored for your body after 60.